So in place of cot square x, again we use the identity here, cosec square x minus 1. Integral of t square, apply the power rule here. And what is the integral of cosec square x? Integral of cosec square is minus cot x, minus integral of 1 is x. T here is cot of x, minus cot cube x upon 3 plus cot x plus x plus c, minus cot cube x upon 3 plus cot x plus x plus c. Now the next question is, in the next question we have to prove that integral of tan nx dx is equals to 1 upon n minus 1 tan n minus 1x minus integral of tan n minus 2x dx. Here in place of tan nx, what we want here is tan n minus 2. So in this power we add and subtract power 2, n minus 2 plus 2. Now write it as tan n minus 2x into tan square x. In place of tan square x, we use the identity here, sec square x minus 1. Now separate the integrals, tan n minus 2x into sec square x dx minus integral of tan n minus 2x dx. Here we put tan x as t, derivative of tan is sec square x, dx as dt, t power n minus 2 dt, and this will remain as it is, tan n minus 2. Apply the power rule here, n minus 2 plus 1, n minus 1. And this integral is written as same. What is the t here? T is tan x, 1 upon n minus 1, tan n minus 1x minus integral of tan n minus 2x dx. यही हमें प्रूफ करना था. Now we will start the other questions of these types. Let's start with question number 13. Some more questions of these type. Integral of tan cube x sec square x dx. Here we have the derivative of tan x is sec square x. So we put tan x as t write it. Derivative of tan x is sec square x dx. Sec square x dx is dt t cube. Apply the power rule here. N plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Tan power 4 x upon 4 plus c. Tan 4x upon 4 plus c. Next is integral of tan of x sec 4x dx. sec 4x को हम स्प्लिट करके लिखेंगे sec square x into sec square x. In place of one sec square, we use the identity here. Sec square x is equals to 1 plus tan square x. Tan x into 1 plus tan square x and other sec square x as it is. Now put tan x as t. Derivative of tan is sec square x dx dt. T into 1 plus t square dt. T plus t cube. Now apply the power rule here. N plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus t 4 upon 4 plus c. And t here is tan x. Tan square x upon 2 plus tan 4x upon 4 plus c. Tan square x upon 2 plus tan 4x upon 4 plus c. The next question is integral of tan 5 and sec 4. Integral of tan 5 and sec 4x. Here also we can write sec 4 as sec square x into sec square x. In place of one sec square we use the identity 1 plus tan square x. Now put tan x as t. Derivative of tan is sec square. Put these values. T power 5 1 plus t square dt. Integral of t5 plus t square t7. Apply the power rule. N plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. What is the t here? Tan x. Tan 6x upon 6 plus tan of 8x upon 8 plus c. Tan 6x upon 6 plus tan 8x upon 8. Now the next is integral of sec of 6x into tan x dx. Here we write sec as sec power 5x into sec x tan x. Now we have the derivative of sec x here. Derivative of sec is sec x tan x. So we put sec x as t. After differentiating, we get sec x tan x dx as dt. T power 5 dt. Apply the power rule here. N plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. T here is sec. Sec of 6x upon 6 plus c. next question is integral of tan 5x. We write it as tan 4x into tan x, and in place of tan 4 we write it as tan square x whole square tan x dx. Now we use the identity here. Tan square x is equals to sec square x minus 1. Now apply the formula a minus b whole square. A square sec square whole square is sec 4x plus b square minus 2ab. Sec square x into 1 is sec square x. Now open the bracket. Sec 4x tan x plus integral of tan x dx minus 2 sec square x tan x dx. Now in place of sec 4x we write it as sec square x square integral of tan is minus log of cos x or log of sec x. Integral of tan is log of sec x, and here we put tan x as t. Derivative of tan is sec square x dx as dt. Sec square x dx as dt minus 2t dt. Now write sec square as 1 plus tan square x write sec square x as 1 plus tan square x. 1 sec square x is this and other sec square x as it is, plus log of sec x minus 2 t square upon 2 plus c. Here put tan x as t. Derivative of tan is sec square x dx as dt. 1 plus t square into t dt plus log of sec x minus t is tan square x plus c. Integral of t plus t cube dt plus log of sec of x minus tan square x plus c. Integral of t is t square upon 2 and t cube is t4 upon 4. We apply power rule here. Plus log of sec x minus tan square x plus c. T here is tan square x by 2 plus tan 4x by 4 plus log of sec x minus tan square x plus c. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Tan 4x upon 4 minus tan square x by 2 plus log of sec x plus c. Tan 4x upon 4 minus tan square x by 2 plus log of sec x plus c. Note it down. Now the next is integral of square root of 10x sec 4x dx. Here write sec 4x as sec square x into sec square x. In place of 1 sec square, we use the identity 1 plus tan square x. Now we put tan x as t because we have derivative of tan x here. Derivative of tan is sec square x dx. Square root of t 1 plus t square dt. Add the powers here. T 1 by 2. T 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 2. Apply the power rule. N plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. And 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Put the value of t here. T is 10. Tan of x power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 7. Tan of x power 5 by 7 by 2 plus z. Next is sec power 4 2x dx. Again write sec 4 as sec square into sec square. In place of 1 sec square, use the identity 1 plus tan square. After that, put tan x as t. Put tan x as t. Here tan 2x. Derivative of tan is sec square. And derivative of 2x is 2. Sec square 2x dx as dt upon 2. 1 plus t square. Integral of 1 is t and t square is t cube upon 3. T here is tan 2x. Tan 2x upon 2 plus tan cube 2x upon 6 plus c. Tan 2x upon 2 plus tan cube 2x upon 6 plus c. Same as question number 7, we can solve the next question. Now in the next question we have the derivative of cot here. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square. So we put cot x as t. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square. Cosec square x dx as minus dt t power n. Apply the power rule here. N plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. What is the t here is cot. Cot n plus 1x upon n plus 1 plus c. Minus cot of power n plus 1 x upon n plus 1 plus c. इसके जैसा क्वेश्चन किया था,